talk about how can you disable push notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, and just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on options. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on behavior here, just click on it. Then you come to next here. You come here to push notifications. Just clicking this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me push notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.